Good day everyone. Welcome to Teacher Julie channel. Hello everyone. We have our new lesson in TLA 8 which is all about evaluating the learning. This will be the second quarter topic, week 1 and day 5, and this lesson is under the Matatag curriculum. For the first question, when did fish culture first start in China? And the correct answer is letter A. And for question number 2, who is considered a pioneer of practical fecundation by artificial means? And the correct answer is letter C. For question number 3, when was the first interest in fish ponds recorded in the United States? And the correct answer is letter A. And for question number 4, where did the origin of fish ponds in Indonesia come from? And the correct answer is letter D. For question number 5, when did scientific fish farming start in the Philippines? And the correct answer is letter A. For question number 6, what year was improved milkfish culture applied in the Philippines? The correct answer is letter B. For question number 7, when were national and international research institutions established to support the aquaculture industry in the Philippines? And the correct answer is letter C. And for question number 8, which of the following are leading aquaculture research centers in the Philippines? The correct answer is letter D. For question number 9, what are examples of fishes cultured in fresh water in the Philippines? The correct answer is letter C. For question number 10, what are the 2 most important species cultured in brackish water ponds in the Philippines? The correct answer is letter B.